That was such a
So that was a very impromptu brunch place. The food was good. The service super fast. All good, all good. We're heading out to our next place. It is gonna be a skating, rollerblading.
The downtown.
Feel so tired after just 2 hours of inline skating already. Yeah.
Pink wine. Yeah, I love it. Try.
So I'm about to eat some raw live oyster, which I don't usually eat, but yeah, here we go. Cheers.
Good.
The sauce is good. Ooh, I think you'll like it. Super.
Am I supposed to drink?
Come on, double. Hey guys, I'm gonna take my phone. Yeah.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I haven't do this video in a while now, but here we go. Date ideas in Singapore. So first thing first, we start off at brunch. I mean, we were supposed to go to this local coffee place, but yeah, we wake up late and then we decided to go to somewhere else. So this brunch place, I think they open for the whole day. Yeah, go by the name of, can't remember. So but their food was incredible, their coffee was great, I would say, and the service, even though it's not top notch, but it's just so fast. Like when you want something, they are there, like, you know. So I'll give a good recommendation for that. And then secondly, we went for skating, rollerblading, inline skating at High Roller, and it was an incredible 2 hours, but we kind of got tired after the 2 hours, so our energy level went down pretty much drastically. So yeah, I mean maybe because we don't do rollerblading a lot, because if I were to play football or other sports, other ball sports like basketball, baseball, what balls are there? Anyway, if I were to play those, like, you know, badminton, I wouldn't feel tired. But yeah, this one, it was just tired, you know. It was fun, but this 2 hours, it just drained our energy. So yeah, I don't know why, but it was fun. So yeah, highly recommend that for first timer, beginners. Yeah, you can fall a lot of times, it's okay, it's good to go. And the third place that we went to is the public izakaya. So I went there a few times and I wanted to bring her so that, you know, get to try the food. The food was still amazing, but there was some items that are missing from the menu, which are not available, which sucks. But yeah, the one thing that I noticed is that their service kind of changed a lot. Yeah, it was really terrible. Even though we make a reservation, they couldn't, like, you know, allocate us properly. And yeah, the ordering and everything, the whole process was just terrible. It was not how I, you know, experienced it the last time. So yeah, it was quite disappointing, but overall the food was still good. So yeah, can't complain much, but the service was terrible, honestly. Come on guys. Anyway, the last place was, wow, we end off the night with one of the best bar in Singapore. So the bar is called Bar Stories, and they don't really have a menu. They do have a menu for food, but we were already full. But they don't have a menu for cocktails, so you just tell them what you like. And yeah, I'm a very basic guy, so I just like anything that is sour. So the bartender wasn't really impressed with my orders, but yeah, I think he was kind of like impressed with Eunice's order. Like she you know, she elaborated more, she wanted more flavors and blah blah blah. So yeah, so but it was fun, it was really fun, and then the drinks are incredible. But just one thing, I think it's around $26 to $28 per cocktail. So yeah, it's more on the expensive side. So yeah, you might wanna, I don't know. Yeah, it's expensive, so just letting you guys know. But yeah, the drinks are totally worth it, and the bartenders, they will entertain you. I mean, they entertain us for the whole night. I think we sat there around like 2.5 hours, and then we just, you know, exchange conversation between each other, and it was quite incredible. The drinks are amazing, by the way. So yeah, highly recommend that place, Bar Stories. Anyway, I really miss doing this kind of thing, so yeah, it was fun to go out again. Yeah, we've been really busy for the past few months, and we've been traveling, so yeah, hence not doing this kind of video. But yeah, it was fun today. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.